Suppose you buy a 7% coupon, 20-year bond today when it was first issued. If interest rates suddenly rise to 15%, what happens to the value of bond and why? A lot of things are kind of unsaid in this problem, so let's say them. Let's assume that face value is $1,000. This is a 20-year bond. Coupon rate is 7%. It's not said about compounding frequency, so I'm going to assume it's an annual bond. And it's not said that this bond was a par bond when you first bought it, but we're going to assume that. Since it is a par bond, its price is going to be $1,000 equal to face value. Let's calculate what would happen to the value of this bond if indeed interest rates rise to 15%. That is the yield to maturity. And to calculate the bond price, we're going to use the PV function. The rate is the YTM. To make it general, let's divide it by the compounding frequency, because if this was, for example, a semi-annual bond, the rate that you would use would have been 7.5%, not 15%, because that is the rate for the 6-month period. Number of periods is maturity in years times compounding frequency. Payment, which is short for the coupons. Well, coupons are, we need to put a negative in that so that we don't get a negative price. This is like input-output. Face value times the coupon rate divided by compounding frequency. For example, for this bond, it would be $70 coupon. And FV is short for future value. That is the face value you're going to be paid. And that's a negative as well. And as you can see, you can already see the price. This is an Excel convention. Payments and face value, they're kind of negatives, and the price you pay is positive. Inflows versus outflows. Obviously, the price has gone down because yield to maturity has gone up. The future cash flows from this bond, the 20 coupons plus the face value, they are now discounted at a higher rate, which means their present value is lower when yield to maturity goes up.